Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate a project in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu where we have our project. From here we just tap on the three dots next to a project that we want to duplicate, and then tap on duplicate, and then the project is going to be copied and there are going to be a duplicate of it. Now obviously it will have the name of the original project plus copy, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.